Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a mango milkshake. To make this milkshake, take about 1 cup of chopped mangoes in a blender jar. Make sure your mangoes are ripe, and to this we will add 1 cup of milk. I am going to add half a cup at first, grind it well and then add the remaining. This will make sure that your mangoes get well pureed and that there won't be any bits remaining. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar you add depending on the sweetness of your mango. And along with this I am adding 1 scoop of mango ice cream today. If you don't want to add the ice cream, you can leave it out. If you want to make your milkshake taste just like the ones you get in the store, then I suggest you add the ice cream. But if you are making for kids at home and you don't want to use the ice cream, you can skip that and make the milkshake. Then add the remaining milk and grind it all together, and that's it. Our thick and creamy mango milkshake is all ready to serve. While serving, you can add some ice cubes to your glass and serve it, or you can use chilled milk as well. If you're making this milkshake for kids and if you feel it's a little thick, you can add 1.5 cups of milk instead of 1 cup of milk. That will dilute the milkshake a little bit. So do try it out. Kids will enjoy this drink. It's a perfect milkshake to serve once they are back home from school. I'm sure they'll love it. Until next time, bye bye.